System errors causing the TBB Proxy DLL crashes in Intel TBB? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair.
While preparing the manual steps for TBB Proxy, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the TBB Proxy, the Intel TBB Proxy library. It provides the unmanaged orchestration for remapping legacy memory calls to the high-performance TBB allocator, facilitating the stability manifest for multithreaded data links.
Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library.
Tbbproxy is a restricted library bundled with the Intel TBB engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files.
When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured.
A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Tbbproxy. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running.
If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system.
Replacing Tbbproxy without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software.
Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized.
For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to Tbbproxy. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Tbbproxy functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.